In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable reviews in WooCommerce. If you're running an online store and you don't want customers to leave reviews on your products, or you simply want a cleaner product page, turning off reviews is quick and easy once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process step by step, so feel free to follow along in your own WordPress dashboard. First, log into your WordPress admin area. This is the same place you go to manage your posts, pages, and plugins. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where all your main options are listed. Find the WooCommerce menu item in that left panel. Hover your mouse over WooCommerce, and a sub-menu will expand. From the options that appear, click on Settings. This is where WooCommerce stores all of its main configuration options, including how your products and reviews behave. When the settings page loads, you'll see several tabs across the top, such as General, Products, Shipping, and others. Click on the tab labeled Products. This section controls everything related to how products are displayed and managed in your store. Within the Products settings, scroll down until you find the Reviews section. It might be in the middle or toward the bottom of the page, depending on your screen size and other settings. In this reviews area, you'll see a checkbox labeled Enable Product Reviews. By default, this box is usually checked, which means customers can leave reviews and ratings on your product pages. To disable reviews, simply uncheck this box. Once you remove the check mark, WooCommerce will no longer show the review form on your product pages, and customers won't be able to add new reviews. After unchecking Enable Product Reviews, don't forget to save your changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button on the left. This step is important because if you navigate away without saving, your settings will stay the same and reviews will still be enabled. Once the page reloads, your new settings are active. If you open one of your product pages in a new tab and refresh it, you should no longer see the review form or review section available for customers. And that's it. You've successfully disabled product reviews in WooCommerce.